Want to post to multiple Facebook groups without the manual grind? Then this extension is your new solution. Start by logging in with Google. While the free version gets you started, the Pro plan offers unlimited posting, available as a lifetime deal. First, choose your audience. You can add groups manually by pasting links, or it can be done automatically by importing all your joined groups with 2 clicks. Scraped groups will stay even after relaunching extension. It will open a new tab and scrap all the groups you are currently in. Let's create a saved group list for quick access later. You can edit your target groups list right there. Now draft your post and attach your media files. Next, set the delay between posts. Remember, longer intervals mean higher safety and better success rates. Here is the game changer: AI variations. Sending 100 identical posts triggers spam filters. Our AI rewrite mode ensures every single message is unique. Choose light mode for simple synonyms or heavy mode for a complete rewrite. Look, the variations are ready. You can review them, and if you want total control, you can edit the spin tax code manually right here. You can also preview some of possible variations of your post text right in the extension. Finally, you can post now or schedule for later. Note that since the extension runs securely on your browser, your device needs to be on. Any missed posts will resume automatically once you're back online. Let's launch it. Click Post Now. Done. The extension works in the background while you are free. After successful posting, you can check the History tab to see exactly where and when your post went live. This extension has free trial. Download it now and save your precious time.